Hello everyone. Till now we have learned how electrical energy is generated by using different types of fuels, like we did hydroelectric power station, thermal electric power plant, diesel electric power plant, and then gas power plants and nuclear power plants. Now we will compare all these power stations that we did so far. So here you can see particular for comparing these plants. First is principle of operation. Uh, so hydroelectric power plant. In hydroelectric power plant, potential energy of the water is converted to the kinetic energy, which is then used to rotate the turbine. In steam power stations, steam is generated by burning coal, so the heat energy of the steam is converted to the mechanical energy of the turbine. In nuclear power plant, we used fission reaction for the generation of energy. Then in gas power plant, heat energy of compressed gas is used to drive the prime mover. Then in diesel power stations, chemical energy of working fluid drives the alternator. Then fuel used in hydro is water, coal for steam, uranium or other radioactive material for nuclear power plant. In gas power plants, it is natural gas or any other gas. Diesel power plant, it is diesel. So the fuel cost. Hydro में है, it is water, so it is freely available. In steam, the cost of coal is high. In nuclear power plant, the enrichment of uranium is very costly. Uranium itself is not so costly, but its enrichment that we will use in the nuclear power plants, so that is high, so its cost is high. In gas power plant, it is high. Diesel, it is cost of diesel is high. Availability of fuel. So availability of water is very unreliable as it depends on the weather, or you can say on rainfall. In steam power plant, coal reserves are present all over the world, but the coal is non-renewable. Then nuclear power plants from deposits of nuclear fuel. Then for gas, deposits of natural gas. Diesel we get from crude oil. Next is the location of these plants. So hydroelectric power plants are located where large amount of water can be collected in a reservoir by constructing dams. For steam power plant, they are located where the coal can be available and water and transportation facility should also be available there. Nuclear power plants, they are located away from the populated areas due to its radioactive waste. Transportation facility should be available and skilled labor is also required for such plants. For gas power plants, transportation facility should be there. Diesel power plants can be constructed anywhere because they are used as standby plants only. Then space required for hydroelectric power plants, very large space is required for the construction of dams. Then steam, large space due to coal storage. Nuclear power plant, less space required as compared to hydro and steam power plants. Same for the case with gas power plants. For diesel power stations, less space is required. For efficiency, it is highest for hydroelectric power plant. These are approximate values. For hydro, it is 85 to 90%. For steam, it is less, that is 30%. For nuclear, 55%. For gas and diesel, it is 35%. Running cost. Here we are considering the cost of the fuel. We are not considering the maintenance cost here. So only on the basis of the cost of fuel we are calculating its running cost. For hydro it is nil because water is required, it is a natural resource. For steam it is higher than hydroelectric and nuclear, and for nuclear, enrichment of fuel is very costly, but very small amount of fuel is required in these plants, so its running cost is less. It is high for gas and diesel power plants. For capital cost it is very high for hydroelectric power plant due to the construction of dams, and large labor is required for these plants. Steam power plant it is lower than hydro and nuclear. For nuclear it is highest due to the construction of nuclear reactors. For gas power plant it is high, and for diesel also capital cost is high. Standby losses nil for hydroelectric power plants, more for steam power plants because boiler flame has to be kept burning here. For nuclear and gas these are less, and nil for diesel because they can be start instantly. For cleanliness, hydroelectric power plants are clean. Steam and nuclear they are not so clean. Gas also not so clean. Diesel they are not their operation is not clean. They are creating air pollution and their operation is noisy also. From environmental considerations, hydroelectric power plants they affect marine life. Moreover, the people in the region have to be relocated. In steam power plant, air pollution occurs and it leads to acid rains. For nuclear, there is radioactive waste from these plants which affect the environment, and underwater contamination also occurs. Gaseous power plants are causing less pollution than steam and diesel power plants. In case of diesel power plant, they occur air pollution and their operation is noisy. For starting time, hydroelectric power plants they can be started instantly. For steam power plant, it is the highest. They take high time to start from 6 to 8 hours. For nuclear power plant, starting time is less than steam power plant. Same is the case with gas power plants. For diesel power plant, they can be started instantly. Life 60 to 100 years for hydroelectric power plants, 30 to 40 years for steam, 40 to 60 for nuclear and gas, and 10 to 20 years for diesel power plants. Distance from load centers. Hydroelectric power plants, they are always far away from the load centers because they are constructed in hilly areas. Rest of the plants, that is steam, nuclear, gas, and diesel, they can be constructed near the load centers. So transmission and distribution cost due to the location of the hydroelectric power plants that is far away from the load centers, the transmission cost is very high. It is less in case of steam, nuclear and gas, and it is least for diesel power plants.